Hello everyone, welcome to Thai Kitchen by Tia. Today I'm making a delicious homemade shrimp pad thai. Let's make it together step by step. First, I'm preparing the ingredients. Here I'm cutting the firm tofu into small cubes. This helps it cook evenly and gives it a lovely texture in the final dish. Next, I'm making the pad thai sauce. Add palm sugar, fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, and tamarind juice to a small pot. Then cook it over medium heat until the sauce begins to thicken slightly. Now it's time to cook the noodles. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then add the rice noodles. Cook them until just soft. Once they're ready, drain them gently. A little moisture is perfectly fine, but we don't want them too wet. Now let's move to the pan. Heat the pan over medium heat and add a little cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the fresh shrimp. Add a little pad thai sauce as well. Stir fry until the shrimp are fully cooked. Then remove them from the pan and set them aside for later. Now, using the sauce left in the pan, add the sweet preserved radish, the dried shrimp, and the tofu we prepared earlier. Stir fry everything together over medium heat. Let the flavors come together for a moment. Next, add the noodles to the pan. Keep stir frying and tossing them gently. Now add the egg. Let it cook briefly, then mix it through the noodles. After that, add the bean sprouts and the garlic chives. Continue stir frying until everything is evenly mixed and beautifully combined. At this stage, the pad thai should look rich, glossy, and full of flavor. Now it's ready to serve. Carefully transfer the pad thai to a plate. Then place the cooked shrimp on top. For an extra delicious finish, squeeze a little fresh lime juice over the top. And if you like, add a light sprinkle of crispy fried shallots as well. It adds even more flavor and makes the dish taste absolutely wonderful. And here it is, a beautiful homemade shrimp pad thai. Sweet, savory, slightly tangy, and full of texture. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you again in the next video.